Here comes the money.
Hey guys, so let me show you how to make $14,328.20 in 31 days from today. Flipping medical commodities. It is absolutely the easiest and most affordable business that you can get into right now. It is hot. So let's go. Hey guys, so let me show you how to make $14,328.20 in basically 31 days. Okay, so as you can see, this is my PayPal account, and these are invoices that I have sent to wholesale buyers. And basically, you can see on the 19th, on these 2 days, I made about $1,020. On the 24th, I made $531. On the 27th, I made $311. And then today, the 9th, I've made $449. I'm probably going to make an extra $150 today, just because some of the clients are calling that they have some boxes that they're trying to get rid of. Okay, so basically, when you add all this up, so if you have 590 plus 430 plus 531 plus 311 plus 449. Okay, so that's 2,311. Now, if we divide that by 5, which is these 5 different days, okay, that's $462. Now, if we multiply that by 31 days, okay, that's $14,328.20. Okay, so these are just the days that I have chosen to work. Right, guys, this is the easiest business in the world. Not too many people have actually discovered this, but you can basically average $500 every day if you choose to. Now, each one of these days, it literally took me just like 1 hour to make $449. Like 2 hours to make over $1,000. So basically, each one of these days, these are just packages, and it takes me like it takes me about an hour a day just to go to pick up these boxes from these different people. Okay, so let me actually show you guys what's inside this package that I'm going to ship. Okay, so when you see that, so we have our AccuCheck Aviva Plus. We have another one, AccuCheck Soft Clicks Freestyle Institutional, One Touch Vario, and True Metrics. Okay, so you can see all together we have 1, 4, 6, 13 boxes, 15 boxes, 17 boxes, 18 boxes. Okay, so all together we have 18 boxes in this shipment. Okay, so now what I'm going to show you guys is the actual shipment that I'm just going to show you all this in a box. Everything basically that it basically matches this entire package right here. And then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to close the box. I'm just going to tape it up. I'm just going to ship it to UPS. And then when I ship it out to UPS tomorrow, I'll get paid the same day. Okay, so let's go take a look at it. Okay, guys, so you can see that these are the 18 boxes, and you can see that these are the freestyles, and yeah, these are basically some more freestyles, and then we have some AccuChecks. So basically, all those boxes that I just showed you are all these boxes that I'm showing you guys right here. And if we count them, you can see that this is 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and then these two would be 18. Right, so that's a total of 18 boxes that are in here that I'm just going to close just like this. Just going to close these boxes just like this. Using one hand, guys. I'm gonna close this like this, and then boom, I'm just gonna put the name where I'm gonna ship it to, and then boom, I'm done. Right, this is going to UPS tomorrow, and I would have made about $500, right? And this literally took me 1 hour. Okay, so there you have it, guys. That's the quickest way for you to make $14,328.20 in 1 month. This is literally the easiest business that I can think of. If you have little to no money to start, you can just watch our videos, and then in 2 hours you can take action. Right, you should be profitable that first month, and actually that first day. So on average, like I just showed you guys, you can make about $500 every day. Even if you don't have that much money to start, we'll show you how to do everything in our course. So if you're interested, click on the link below, or just go to boxflippers.com, just sign up for the course, and we'll see you on the other side. Talk to you soon. Bye.